Did you know that conversions go up 29.7% on Black Friday, Cyber Monday? Or that customers spend 41% more during that awesome 4-day weekend? If you are a creator trying to monetize your audience, Black Friday is your Super Bowl. It is the biggest single opportunity to not only engineer a big influx of cash, but to bring in a ton of fresh customers that you can feast on for the next year. Let's cover 5 incredible Black Friday stats that are going to make you more money this Black Friday. Number 1, 71% of orders on Black Friday come from new customers, which means this is your chance to get followers and subscribers off the sideline and into the game. Getting a customer on Black Friday is great, but the real power is when you continue to feast off their growing customer lifetime value. The average SamCart customer grows their lifetime value by triple in the first 18 months. So do not miss that opportunity to get more customers in the door so that you can triple their lifetime value and make all of that extra revenue in the years to come. Data point number 2. Conversions go up 29% on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. This is the biggest leap we see all year, and nothing is even close. The world is ready to buy on this holiday weekend. Give them a reason to with a special discount to one of your most popular products, or create a new bundle of courses or downloads. You can bring out a service that's been sold out and offer up a few more limited spots. But whatever you want to do, capitalize on that increased conversion rates this Black Friday by giving your customers and audience a special offer. Data point number 3, SamCart creators made an extra $9.7 million last year thanks to the magic of expansion revenue. That's the money you make when you make it easy for customers to spend more while they're buying. And it's kind of what we do here at SamCart. $9.7 million in extra sales, pure profit. One creator referred to this extra revenue as free money, and we really like the sound of that too. Data point number 4, new customers aren't the only ones buying on Black Friday. Returning customers are spending 41% more money than new customers will during this holiday, which means you should absolutely have a special deal for new customers and another higher price deal for your existing customers. They love you. They want to spend more with you. Let them. Give your existing customers a special deal, and don't be afraid to make it more expensive than what you're offering to newbies. And data point number 5, how your customers pay. If you're just letting your customers pay with credit card, you are missing out. Turns out by studying the SamCart database, we found that PayPal customers are the cheapest on average, with about $159 average order size. Credit card customers are a little bit better at $248 average order size, but SamCart's new buy now, pay later options create a $362 average order. For those of us keeping math at home, that is a 46% increase over what someone spends with credit card, and a 126% increase over cheapo PayPal customers. So if you are selling anything even moderately expensive and do not have these buy now, pay later options available at your checkout, you are missing out on a ton of sales. Sell more of your most expensive products and services. Get buy now, pay later options available when your customers buy. We have studied the data from what SamCart creators have done the last 3 Black Fridays and found 13 brand new stats that you can use to make more money this year. We dropped those stats into our 2023 Creator Profit Report, and we are giving that away for free. Grab your copy of that report by clicking the link below, see the full report with all these new Black Friday stats, and make a ton more money.